You know I'm the hardest, so why should I be modest? Reach into your pockets, I'm tryna make a profit.
Cause news got a flow and it's off the wall, so I can't get these hot words off my balls. Can't put the phone down, can't stop the calls. Hot beats, hot lyrics, yeah, I've got them all. Black rules in this bitch, news in this bitch. So a few lines out, losing your bitch. Lads all agree that Newy's a shit, cause as soon as we get on the tune it's a hit. So birds keep sniffing around, I need pussy, cause I wanna stay in the box, I keep goofy, cause I wanna talk the cock, not be fussy. Stop, don't be touchy, it's got to be cushy. Don't want riches or fame, I need both. Gonna be a wife that you wanna deep throat, as you wanna get down wherever we go. On a bus, in a park, out on a speedboat, wherever.
You know I'm the hardest, so why should I be modest? Reach into your pockets, I'm tryna make a profit. Fellas, let your hands move, and girls go do them dance moves. There's no need for stressing, we're here to have a session.
Now who's fresher? We could sit down and have a debate. Your rapping is fake, claiming you're real, that's a mistake. This chap is a great, and I've got the savagest mates. Going out pulling birds is a character trait, cause man we've got birds, strictly hot birds. Working class to D4 posh birds, Kate Moss birds, knows all blackbirds, hip hop birds and crazy goth birds. So when we act callous, some fellas are kinda jealous. You know well it's a hit, what the hell are you trying to tell us? I relish it, embarrassing rappers that go against me. Ross Soul and NC still flowing so eloquently. Plenty of rhymes, loads of force, and these chickens get pumped with no remorse. Keep it going all night, make it thump with thunder. I'm an only child, but not a one-hit wonder, so
you know I'm the hardest, so why should I be modest? Reach into your pockets, I'm tryna make a profit. Fellas, let your hands move, and girls go do them dance moves. There's no need for stressing, we're here to have a session.
it's top prop back at it.
Still got the habit,
And birds get drawn to the cock like a magnet.
don't stop that, do it.
Drop that.